Hello and welcome back, or if you're new to the channel, allow me to welcome you. Grab a seat, we don't have any popcorn yet, but I'm pretty sure if you smash that subscribe button, someone, somewhere in this world will receive your telepathic message and we'll start making some popcorn. Salty, buttery, sweet, just asking. Just want to make sure I get the right message across, you know? Okay, so now you're a big shot. You're a successful UX UI designer, rolling in dough, cruising to the sunset in your brand new convertible, and you had this idea, this epiphany that maybe you can do more. And that just maybe you can start your own company and work on your own projects and become your own design boss. Well, that'd be cool, right? Well, look no further, as that is totally possible. Now, depending on your skill set and depending on your experience, things might be easier or harder for you. And what do I mean by this? Well, if you only specialized in UX or UI till now, you might want to start learning about the other missing piece from your UX UI designer title. As when you will start out on your own, you'll most likely work yourself on your company's projects. Or if you have a buddy that can complement your skill set and you consider starting a business with him, then kudos to you both. You are ready to go and start making some cash. Okay, by now you might be asking me, okay, Dennis, thank you for the Captain Obvious explanation, but how do I start? Well, this is the catch, you see? Things are not that simple because it depends a lot on your circumstances and background. Let me explain. For me, when I started my own agency, it was pretty easy, as most of my career I was a contractor or consultant, moving from company to company and making new connections, working on different projects and broadening my skill set. So for me, the only thing I had to do when I quit contracting and decided to run my own company was to contact all my friends and connections and tell them that now I will be working on my own, and if they need something that I can help them out with, to contact me directly instead of contacting the agency. But I know that these circumstances are not for everyone, and maybe most of you have permanent job positions and never actually worked on full projects before, or maybe you have but you don't know where to start. And that's why I decided to create this video in the first place. So before you start slamming your boss's door and start yelling your independence in the office, you might want to pay attention to the following things. First thing you'll need to do is to start putting some money aside. Try to have somewhere between 3 and 6 months of runway. And by runway, I mean your monthly expenses, like mortgages, credit card payments, student loans, and so on. Make sure that for 3 to 6 months, you can sustain yourself without needing to work for anyone. Remember that nobody knows anything about you. You'll need a bit of time before projects will start flying your way. If you cannot put so much money aside, then you have like a second option, and that is to start taking projects after work. That's personally how I started. During the day, I was working as a contractor, and after my 9 to 5, I was working on other projects directly on my company. I know this is not the thing you want to hear, and that it sounds really hard, but this is the reality. In those days, I was working a lot, but I was netting around 200K a year. I wish I could give you a shortcut, but unfortunately I can't. Or maybe I can. Here in my garage, no, seriously, if you buy now with just £10,000, you can buy my design boss course, and if you call now, you will get a 70% discount. Call now, 0800 Design Boss. Buy it now, and you will learn how to make money while sleeping and watching your favorite Netflix shows. Do it now, and you can become rich in just 2 days. Yes, 2 days. Buy it now. Buy it. No, seriously, buy it. Okay, so jokes aside, the second thing you need to do is to create a company website where you will showcase your abilities and the stuff that you created. It can be your portfolio as well, as long as you did most of the work. Please don't add projects where you helped your colleague find a better color for a button. Try to be honest, but at the same time, trust your abilities. Don't just undersell yourself just because you are starting out on your own. Also, learn how to price your work. The Future channel has some amazing videos about these subjects, so I'm gonna link a couple of them in the description if you want to check them out. And lastly, remember to have fun with it and enjoy the process. That's what it's all about. This is an amazing journey you're embarking on, and you have to make the most out of it. And remember, you will be rewarded in proportion to how much effort you put into it. From now on, everything you do will reflect on you and your company. So try to build yourself a good reputation. And remember, you are not alone. You can join our Discord community. You can meet other designers or people who maybe are looking to start a business and they need a designer, or maybe they want to partner up with someone. Have a look around. Our aim is to connect businesses and designers so they can grow together. That's why we created the Discord community. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you found it useful and you know someone who might benefit from watching it, make sure to share it with him. It's free, and you never know what opportunities you might spark. You might help them and they might help you. You never know. Thanks again for watching, and as always, on your way out, please make sure to hit that like button if you like this video and smash that subscribe button if you haven't already, and I will see you in the next video. Take care.